Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm super excited because today we are going to be doing a power hour. So basically this is to challenge yourself to set a timer for 1 hour and get as much stuff done. So we're going to start off by setting my timer for 1 hour. I have a list that I am attacking today on areas that I want to get cleaned up within that hour. This is really good if you have a busy day ahead of you or you have guests coming over and you just don't have a lot of time to sit and clean, but you want to tidy your house the best you can. So let me know if you are accepting the challenge or if you're just hanging out and getting some cleaning motivation from me. Either way, comment down below and say hi, and we're going to go ahead and get started.
Think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why, always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time.
Let me know down below, are you somebody that makes a list of your cleaning tasks for the day, or do you just kind of wing it? I'm a little bit of both. Today I did have my list because there were certain things that I wanted to get done, and sometimes that list just helps me focus and make sure I get everything done that I plan to. But a lot of times when I'm just doing some daily cleaning up, I just kind of wing it. So it really just depends for me, but let me know what you do. I wanted to get this load of laundry folded. I know you guys seen my last deep cleaning video. I had like 4 loads of laundry on a couch, and so I'm really trying to do better, you guys, but I feel like it really just depends on the weeks. Some weeks are more busier than others, so I fall behind, but some weeks I can actually keep up with my laundry. So this week I am keeping up with my laundry. Let me know if there's a chore that you struggle to keep up with or something that you want to do better at.
It was over, but I told you I'll do it all over again. At your place or a spring break, a heartache, I'll do it all over again. Do it all over again.
So my next couple of videos are going to be decluttering and organizing. I absolutely love organizing and just getting my spaces and my home organized. I know you guys love those videos too. I have a few different videos I'm going to be putting out. One of them I am going to be organizing my friend's pantry at her house. I also need to go ahead and reorganize and declutter through some of my clothes and like my drawers and my closet. And then I have a lot of drawers and cabinets left in my kitchen that I need to get organized, and I'm going to be using more of the home edit organizing bins and sets, so stay tuned for those videos that are coming up soon.
Better say something that will change my mind. Gotta give me something, 'cause I'm not blind. I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not there, I suppose that we won't stand a chance. We won't stand a chance.
So I definitely used up a lot of my time in the bedroom. I just got carried away, you guys. I saw fingerprints on the mirrors and dust on the surfaces, so I wanted to take care of those things. We are going to keep strutting along and get through this house.
I don't know how to enjoy it. Every time you tell me it's not fair.
You guys, I have another stain on this carpet, and it is cherry red popsicle. Ava was walking around and eating it and dropped some in the room. So I've been working on it. I have used some of my stain removers that I purchased. I've let it sit there, like throughout this video, I let it sit there, went back to it. It did not work. So I am actually going to give some vinegar and baking soda a try, but it is cherry red popsicle. I have the worst luck with stains on carpets. I think in the future I am going to remove the carpets and just do like hardwood floors or something.
I've tried it.
So in the bathroom, I just decided to do a quick wipe down of the mirrors and the sinks, and then we're gonna vacuum because I did have some hair and tissue on the floor. So now we're gonna go ahead and pick up some toys and things that were left in the living room and just kind of fix the pillows a little bit. I just go ahead and use a bag or a basket when there's tons of toys downstairs so I can carry it all upstairs at once. I was recently sent this beaded garland from a small business on Instagram. She has a shop where she does all of these beautiful handmade pieces. I will link her Etsy and her Instagram down below so you can check it out. Long story short, we actually have known each other since the beginning of my YouTube journey. She used to post family vlogs and now she is just running her small business. So I wanted to support her just by sharing that because really her work is so beautiful. I just want to thank all of you guys for the sweet messages and the support from me celebrating 7 years here on YouTube. You guys are simply amazing, and I really love my community here. I could not be more thankful for all of you. There is still a couple more days in the giveaway if you haven't entered yet. As soon as I pick 2 winners, I will be announcing that on my community tab. So again, thank you guys so much. I did cook some steak in this pan, so it had a lot of buildup that I just needed that Dawn soap to go ahead and just soak in there, and then I clean it later on. So I went ahead and turned on my robotic vacuum. I am moving this rug out of the way so it can vacuum that area without sucking up the rug. And now I'm gonna go in and wipe down my countertops using the Method all-purpose cleaner. It is in the honey apple scent, which I love.
We were undiscovered, didn't care for one another, you and I. Thought I was okay, till something in me changed, don't know why. You got me high, but I'm sober. You make me lonely when I'm by myself. I should be free, but I'm hoping that we could be something in the end, something more than friends. Be feeling same as the beginning. Waste of time. Somehow you intruded, lost in your illusions. I was fine.
All right, you guys, so that is all. I got everything done on my list today. I absolutely love giving myself that 1 hour to just push myself and get things done. It really helps challenging yourself, and you don't get distracted. You can stay more focused and focused on the goal. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys were able to get some cleaning motivation from it, and I will see all of you guys in my next one. Love you guys.